Once upon a time, there was a young dragon named Sparky who had a problem. He couldn't breathe fire, no matter how hard he tried. All that ever came out was a puff of grey smoke. The other dragons teased him endlessly. Smoky, Sparky, they laughed. What kind of dragon can't breathe fire? Sparky felt sad and different. He began spending his days alone, practicing quietly near the forest. One day, while blowing smoke in frustration, something amazing happened. A perfect smoke ring floated into the river. Surprised, Sparky tried again. Another ring appeared, and then another. Sparky discovered he could make all kinds of shape with his smoke, circles, spirals, even hearts. Excited, Sparky returned to the village and called out to the other dragons. "Look at this," he said, with a deep breath. He created a beautiful dragon-shaped smoke pattern in the sky. The other dragons were amazed. "Wow, that's incredible," they said. "Do more." Sparky showed them flowers, stars, and other patterns. Soon the teasing stopped, and the dragons began to admire Sparky's unique talent. Sparky learned that he didn't need to breathe fire to be special. His smoke's creations made him stand out, and he realized being different was what made him truly remarkable. Moral: embrace your differences and discover your unique strengths.